Gotta stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too.
So here we're taking a look at the JBL Tune Buds, and as you can see there they are in the packet. This is part of JBL Bud range, which we went into in the Choose Your Video comparison previously. Just going to take a look and see what comes in them. Now the great thing with these is to start with there, you've got your instruction guide, your booklet. I won't go into too much detail with that. I'm going to open up a bit further. And there is the earbud case. Now doesn't that look really, really nice just there? Doesn't that look lovely? And we've also got the USB-C charging cable here. And you've also got different tips you can use as well. I'll put these to the side though and actually have a look at what comes in it in more detail. So there is the case there. Now the great thing with this case is it comes with 48 hours of battery life. So you get 30 hours in the case and you get 12 hours in the earbuds as well. Now the earbuds charge with just 15 minutes. You get 4 hours playtime with them as well. Now there's the design. As you can see, there's slightly different design than other earbuds I've actually done in the past. As you can see, they're just there. Now they're touch controlled as well. So you press them by obviously pressing that button there. And that's how they sit in the ears as well. They don't have a fin design, which ones I've used previously have had that. So they're slightly different. Go put them back. So here's a bit more about the case. So there you go, just there. So it's magnetic. So you pop the earbuds in. As you can see, they lock straight in there, just like that. Nice and easy. Now also you've got USB-C charging there at the back. Now these are IP54 rated as well. So this means they're water resistant and dust proofed, which means you can use them if you're out in the gym. And they also have 4 mics as well. So each of these earbuds have 4 mics in them, which is very good for clear calling. So you can always be heard with perfect clarity. And they've got voice aware as well. So you can actually control the amount of mic input too and see how much your voice you can actually use with these, which is a really handy feature. Now I also like the comfort of these as well. Now, as you can see, they sit in the ear like that, and they work quite well. Now, as you can see, they're quite light too. So that's how they fit compared to my, sorry, I just turned my music on. That's how they fit compared to my hand. Very, very light. Now, again, with these earbuds, you can change the tracks by pressing a button. You can also activate the noise cancelling, and these do have active noise cancelling as well. Each of the earbuds also have 10mm drivers that they use. 4 microphones, as I said. Now in regards to the dimensions, so the charging case weighs 38.8 grams, and each earbud weighs 10.8 grams as well. So they work very, very light. And it also has Bluetooth 5.3 as well. Now this means it's the latest edition of Bluetooth. Good if you want to have very, very clear sound, very, very clear calling. But you can see with these, they are premium earbuds. They do look very, very good, and they do fit very well on the ears. So I really do recommend them.
Long it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you
Take a look at the JBL Tour Pro 2 case. There you can see there's a display at the front as well as the earbuds. Again, standard JBL case, looks really good. Let's pop it open and see what comes in here. So there we are. So nice packaging. So here's the setup instructions, which you can use. Let's take the plastic part out here. Now here's the case. Now again, it's got an LCD display case in there, and surprisingly enough, it's not that big considering the fact they've actually got a screen in here. There you go, it turns on straight away. So there you can see is the display. We're going to look at that shortly. And there's the earbuds in there. What does it come with? Well, it also comes with different ear tips you can use as well. So you've got the ear tips there, and you've got the charging cable there as well. Bearing in mind these also use wireless charging too, which is excellent. And there's the instruction booklet too. So just a standard JBL instruction booklet that it comes with. Let's push those to the side. And let's take a look at the actual earbuds themselves. Now straight away, I love the look at this case. Look at that, isn't that cool? Now you can basically change the display by swiping left or right. So if we go this way, so there's the sound volume you can change. There's the ambient sound, so you can turn on ANC, active noise cancelling. ambient sound or turn it off. There's different types of equalizers too. You can also set it for timer. So there's all the different features, which we'll go through again shortly and kind of share with you guys. But I really like it. You can also have notifications on here as well to let you know, if you've got calls or text coming through. I find this really, really handy. And again, there's the size compared to my hand, and there's the thickness. So it's a good size. You can actually carry that around. And there's the Tour Pro 2 insignia on there as well. So let's take a quick look at the earbuds. So now you get 40 hours of battery life with the case, with the earbuds. And the earbuds themselves come with about 10 hours in each earbud, which I think's really, really good. So there's the earbuds there. Now, as you can see, they've got 6 microphones in the earbuds, which makes good sound quality. We'll test out the microphones later so we can go through that. So they're the earbuds there. Now, I think they look really, really nice. Now, when I put these on, what I'll talk about shortly is I've got a really good seal in my ear. And we're going to talk about how good the noise cancelling was from that. But there you are. So there's the size compared to my finger. There's both of them there. Now, I think they look really good. And they fit really well on the ears with these seals. Again, you can change it with the ear tips you've got there. And there's the earplugs there as well. So you've got different sizes depending on what you want. And again, you've got the 6 microphones there as well that you can use. So it uses Bluetooth 5.3. They also use JBL Quick Start, which means they connect very quickly to your phone. So there's the earbuds and the cases. But then again, let's go back to this case. I think it looks really cool. You can change the display, let's unlock it. So you can press that to start playing the headphones. It gives you the charging, gives you all the different battery percentages as well. It's really good. So we'll talk shortly about how we can actually customize this and have a look. Again, you can change the wallpaper depending on what you want to use. So if we go that way, so you can change different color screens. Now again, you do get a lot of, you can actually change the display as well through the JBL app, what you want to have showing on here. We'll go through that as well later. But I think the display really does add to it. It's a really unique feature and I love using it. So there's a JBL Tour one there. Let's now do the unboxing of the JBL Live Flex, and as you can see, there's the box just there. Some of the key features of it as well: adaptive noise cancelling, perfect for calls. And we take it across, and there are the earbuds. Now, don't they look nice? And you can already see these are JBL's premium earbuds range of the choose your earbuds wireless range we had earlier. So just going to take a look at the box and pop it open and see what it comes with. So to start with, there's the case. Now again, it's got the lovely JBL pebble shape, which you can see there. This is QR compatible, which means you can actually use this for wireless charging, and you get a good 24 hours in the case as well with battery life, which is really good. Now if we go and have a look and see what comes else in here. Now here's the earbuds, just here. Now these are the open stick design. So if you look at the Choose Your Earbuds video, which I'll show you up here on my other channel, MrYouWho, it kind of goes through which one these are, but these sit in the ears like that. So here are the earbuds just here. Now again, these are touch control as well, so you can touch each one. So the right, you can change tracks, change songs, and the left, you can use the noise cancelling and ambient aware. Now, these have adaptive noise cancelling, which means they actually will adapt to noise around you. And these actually have very good noise cancelling, as I'll show you in a video later. So these are magnetic as well, so you pop them in there just like that, and you can see they start charging straight away. So yeah, there you've got the charging indicator just there as well, which is very useful. And these are also Bluetooth 5.3 as well, so you get a very, very stable Bluetooth connection. And they're also IP54 rated too, which is great. Now, we'll go back and have a look at the earbuds in more detail. So these each have 6 mics in the earbuds. So 6 mics means they're very good to pick up for, video calls and when you're speaking to people out and about. And there's the speaker just there as well. So they fit very well in the ears. I actually use the ear tips in these as well, which I'm going to show you just in the packet here. So I found that sometimes they'd move my ears a bit, so you can use the different ear tips as it's shown just here. I'll get that out, just here. So they're in there. Well, that's actually the cable. Where are no ear tips? Delete that part. So there's the cable just there. You come with it, and also there's the instruction guide that you get in the book as well. Now, one thing about these as well is they have Personify 5 2.0, which basically it optimizes the audio experience based on your unique hearing profile, which is really good. Because I set that up in the JBL app, which these come with. And these also have 12mm neodymium speakers, which are perfectly tuned for high fidelity music, which is great. And these also come with JBL spatial sound as well. Now, spatial sound means you're getting that excellent kind of sound quality when you're out and about. So these are very, very good. Again, IP54 certified, dust rated, up to 40 hours of playtime, and they do sound really good. So there are the JBL Live Flex.
Look at me sometimes like all you want